Hi guys, Motobo here. Naka-dapper outfit tayo for today's ride. Any case, samahan niyo ako para sa isang charity ride na gaganapin sa Bridgetown, Pasig. At ano nga ba to? Para sa mga di nakakaalam, ang charity event na to ay tinatawag na Distinguished Gentleman's Ride or DGR. At ano nga ba ito? Ito ay isang event dedicated for men's mental health and prostate cancer research and awareness. As you can see, our theme is classic suits, ties, vests, anything related to classiness, and at the same time, we'll be riding with our classic bikes. Nandito sa part ng video na to, makikita nyo yung mga iba't ibang classic bikes and may naka-Barbie outfit pa. In any case guys, have a good day, ride safe, and enjoy the ride always.
Magsama-sama po muna tayo dito and magkadaupang paalan. Ayan, ha?
Barbie team.